Hello, welcome back to Brandon Sushi Live Noding. In this episode, I want to share with you this node setup. Basically, we're gonna play around a little bit with a noise generator, and I'm probably gonna give a demo first. So you can see there's some kind of random texture here, and it's on the floor. It's on this grid, and if I play back, it generates noise, right? So it generates noise based on this image texture, and it's actually real time. It's really only looking at that point in the center. So at any time I can just remove everything, and if I am using like a UV grid, color grid, or just blank, and we just fill it with our own color. It's more fun actually to do it this way. Gonna save it real quick. So I have a few variation of this based on different texture. You can also use image, and this texture is not big, it's only 100 by 100. You probably don't need anything, you only need the one in the middle. So if I make it smaller, file save as, so this will still work. Oh, okay. Seems like kind of working. It's kind of skipping. Okay. It's probably reading it slightly differently. So let's make 100 by 400. Okay, let's leave it at 100 and 100 then. Oh, so probably there's some kind of offset there, but you get the idea. If I try to deconstruct what's happening, so we have a frame, and this frame I multiply it by 0.01, so it's a bit slower, and there is this modulo, so this is controlling that points there that's gonna be used to sample the color. If you imagine this object on the floor represents the UV, this thing right here is kind of gonna be looping over and over again, and it's gonna be used to sample the image, which is this image, 100 by 100 pixel, and then this will control Suzanne color. So I can actually use color, but it's really currently it's only detecting the grayscale. The grayscale is used to generate this sound. So this is audio nodes. You have seen me using this. I can change this to square, for example, or so. So you can see I can scrub it. It's almost like a kind of like a beatbox. If this thing generates like a drum sound, it's gonna be so much better. Maybe I can try that at some point. But yeah, you can see this is the Sverchok nodes have a lot of controls over other nodes as well. It's pretty powerful. You can do this using animation nodes as well, and it's gonna be a little bit faster, but this is already pretty good. If you want to try something unusual, let's say with this painting, we can try using procedural image, for example. Let's try. So this texture, how to create a new texture. So it's looking at the cycles nodes. Should go back to Blender render, texture, cloud. So we have cloud texture, back to cycle. Oops, okay. That disappear. Interesting. Okay. Now we have our cloud. Play it back. So that noise is made of cloud. Okay, so let's stop this. So it's basically have this kind of way to generate sound. It's all real time. It's endless fun actually. I recommend you to try this yourself, and then let's see. We can perhaps use another sound generator. I will try to use it. I actually forgot the name, but this is pretty much the setup. We can try to use drum beat for the next experiment. All right, thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye.